Hi friends, Christy here from MakingItInTheMountains.com, and welcome to our farmhouse summer porch. Okay guys, I am so excited to take you on a walk through one of our favorite spaces of our home. Filled with all sorts of flowers, some lovely vintage finds, and of course a few simple DIY projects. This farmhouse style porch is so full of character and charm. There are so many things I can't wait to show you in this space. It's impossible to pick a favorite, but I'm going to walk you through as much as I can. So one of the first things I like to do with any change in season is switching out the wreath on our front door. I created this beautiful DIY eucalyptus wreath last summer, and I'm still just as in love with it today. I think the soft muted colors are the perfect addition to our farmhouse summer porch. Another favorite DIY project, and probably the one I get complimented on the most from our neighbors, is this really simple DIY flower box. We built this little box to sit under a beautiful vintage window right beside our front door, and I think it adds so much charm and character to the space. As you can see, not only have I filled our flower box with flowers, but I've scattered pots of flowers and hanging baskets all throughout the space. This cozy outdoor sectional is our favorite place to kick back and relax through the summer. With a couple of throw pillows at either end and a simple tray to set our drinks on, this comfy sectional is the perfect place to curl up no matter what time of day. Looking down this porch space might just be my favorite view of our house. I love the charm that this vintage door brings to the space, and I cannot get enough of all of the beautiful colors and fragrance of these flowers. With some cute string lights strung up ahead and a few lanterns scattered throughout the space, we can enjoy this cute porch space well after the sun sets. Another favorite DIY project, and one that I think makes such a difference to the look of our home, are these really simple and inexpensive to make DIY cedar shutters. I really think they bring so much warmth to the front of our home. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this tour of our farmhouse style front porch all decked out for summer. If you like this video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel for even more farmhouse style DIY, decor, and recipe ideas.